Still active Autobody. Back with another video. Today is Saturday. I'm up here at the shop. Just trying to get caught up on a couple things. This week was kind of, I ain't even gonna say the whole week. It's been slow lately. But for some reason, I had a couple cars I was waiting on. I had a lot of cars I was waiting on parts for. And for some reason, all the parts for all the cars came in on the same day. So cars got painted, parts got painted, and I had like 5 cars to put together on top of a couple big jobs I had anyway. So I'm gonna kind of just, you know what I mean, show you what I got going on. I ain't been posting lately. I got this car. There's a front end hit. Well, he rolled over a rock, so the underneath got dead by a coworker of mine. He had some dents on the fender. Fixed that. Big crease in the door. That got fixed. It got painted. It didn't blend into the rear door. So that's all nice. Done. So got this to put back together. I got this to put back, well, to swap the gate. I was gonna try to fix it. You can see I tried to rough it out a little bit, but it wasn't worth fixing, man. So I got this gate that's fixed, so I got to take that one off. The bumper's back here, painted as well. I had to repair the bumper. I got this big GMC Sierra AT4. Let me cut the light on. Cut the light on. So yeah, man, the past couple days been crazy, man. We've been super slow lately, so I ain't complaining. You see, I'm here. It's probably about 9 o'clock now. So this car was side swiped, I guess. So it has some damages to the door, fender. The front bumper was just ripped. You can see this frame rail end here. It's all pulled out from it being pulled this way. So I don't know what side swiped it, but yeah, I got that going. Here's my parts. There's my gate. There's my bumper. Got a couple more jobs. I got Malibu that was backed into coming out of a driveway. I got a couple videos on that. Here's my Malibu. We got a used door. I had to fix the used door. Doors for the Malibu came in. You can see. Right there. That's not supposed to be like that. Another dent right there. So before I put it on, I gotta fix it. So that's what I'm about to do. Once I fix the used door, had to cut it in, basically meaning paint the inside of the door so it matches with the rest of the car. We had to hang it, and then he painted the outside. So as you can see, looks good. I'm not a painter. It's not my work. Looks good though. Alright, this thing's all painted. So got my old door over here. I kind of saved myself some time because if you pay attention, that part number and the part number that's on this used door is the exact same. So I rarely get lucky like that. I have lately, but in all the used parts I've had, I rarely get lucky like that. So it's the same part number, so I don't gotta swap the harness out. So I can just, you know, put the harness that's in it. I just got to tuck down in there. I just got to run it back. I'm gonna use all the parts, like the speaker, window track, and everything that came off the original door on the used door, and put this thing back together. Got that one. What else I got? Oh, I got this. I got 2 more Equinoxes. I forgot. And I got a Trax, now that I think about it. Those parts right there is for a Trax. I'll show you momentarily. This is the door that was on the Malibu I just showed you. Here's my, I don't want to get nobody's license plate. Here's my Trax. This car actually, I just fixed the front end of this car. And the car left and pulling out of the parking lot. Somebody smacked into him, man. So, feel bad for the guy, but I'm gonna get him back right. So he needs a quarter in the door. Both of those came up, but I'm finishing all my other jobs. Here's another one. I forgot the story on this one, but I did the front bumper. I did the quarter panel. Didn't do the door. Did the quarter panel, and I did replace the rear bumper. I think he was also side swiped or some kind of story to that nature. So had to fix the quarter, put a new bumper on the back, repaired this side of the front bumper. So I got it up on the hoist. He needed 3 new skirts. So that's that. And then got one more out here. I'm not gonna go outside, but it's this Equinox right here. It was a front end hit. He ran into something in the front, blew out one of the sensors. He needed a new front cover. He needed a rebar, a couple of other braces that sits behind the bumper. So that's looking good. So yeah, man. Pretty productive week. I'm gonna keep going. I'm here Saturday. I'm gonna try to get myself ahead for the new week so I can make some more money, man. So I'll catch y'all.
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand, and them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.